Hello, and welcome to Tips and Tricks for the i13 with Snap Plus Core First and the i16 with Snap Plus Core First. I am Lauren Prue, a training support specialist for the AT and UDL loan library. For this video about the iSeries devices, we partnered with Chris Kovac from Tobii Dynabox. This video is going to focus on setting up GazePoint in Communicator 5.
Alright, at this point we are going to show you how to use Communicator, specifically how to use GazePoint for Communicator, to leave the software and allow the student to engage with any website that you might want to utilize in the classroom. So for this particular example, I have pulled up the website Starfall and have clicked on a random color activity. What I wanted to walk you through is showing you how to put GazePoint for Communicator onto your default desktop so that you can utilize it more easily for any websites. First thing you need to do is access your Edit Home Screen page. So I can tap and hold on the screen, release, and then when my quick menu pops up, I'm going to select Edit Home Page. From here, I would want to add a page set, Emerging Communication, Other Applications, and you'll see that I already have a check mark on GazePoint for Communicator. If I did not, you would simply select it so you have the pinkish fence around the GazePoint for Communicator box. Select Add to Homepage, and you'll see the check mark appear on the box. Once you see the check mark, click the X to go back to your sample homepage. This is what your homepage is going to currently look like. Anytime you add something to a homepage, it automatically gets added to the very end. So if you wanted this to be on the first page, or if you thought it was something you're going to use frequently, I would recommend clicking on it, then using the Move Left option to drive it to wherever you want it to be on the homepage. So in this case, I'm going to put it right near Look to Learn. So it's going to be all the way at the very front of my first page. Okay, and I can close with my X to save that. And now I have Communicator right next to Look to Learn. So if I wanted to, I can unpause my eye tracker. I can launch this out directly to the web page that I already had running in the background, and you'll see that I'm going to cover my eye tracker here. Pause it. You see that you can minimize GazePoint, exit, which will take you back into Communicator, resume the eye tracking, hide the mouse cursor, and turn the single left click on or off. So in this case, I'm going to start my eye tracker again. I'm going to minimize it. And now, wherever the student moves with their eyes, if they dwell, they can click onto that individual color, watch that activity, potentially close out of that activity, and do all the same navigation that a student with a mouse that is using single click could do, only we're using just our eyes using the GazePoint for Communicator. And that will allow them to start to introduce to all these different websites.
On behalf of the Technology and Learning Connections team, we just want to say thank you for joining us today. The next video for the iSeries devices will focus on Quick Assist. Please keep an eye on our website for additional videos and support.